Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Director of Quantitative Research and ELT, Mrs. Nita Sarina Rulita Dewi, SPD, MPD. In this occasion, Amrani Helena from Class B would like to present my research proposal with the title, The Correlations Between Cognitive Reading Strategies and Students' Reading Comprehension. The research proposal consists of three parts. The first is introduction, the second is theoretical review, and the third one is the research methodology. Alright, first introduction. In this part, there is a background of the study. The background is that reading is one of the most important skills in English language learning, but many students still face difficulties in understanding text, such as lack of ability to recognize the types of text, followed by lack of attention and word difficulty. Meanwhile, students who use appropriate reading strategies can help themselves to overcome difficulties in understanding of complex text and enhance their critical thinking. Therefore, the use of reading strategy is essential for students to improve their efficiency and comprehension in reading process. There were many studies examining reading strategies. However, cognitive reading strategies and reading comprehension have received little attention. So based on the previous studies, the researcher is interested to find out the same topic with different population and sample. Next, the problem statement. Is there a correlation between cognitive reading strategies and students' academic reading comprehension? And the statement of the hypothesis of this research is there is a significant correlation between cognitive reading strategies and students' academic reading comprehension. Because I will explain the correlation between two variables, so there are the operational definition of those based on this research. The first one is reading comprehension, refers to the student's ability to understand written text, which will be measured by their score of the reading comprehension section of a test of English language proficiency. And cognitive reading strategies refers to cognitive technique that students use to understand written text. This variable will be measured by using a questionnaire adapted from Beji 1998. After explaining those two points before, so this research objective determined the relationship between cognitive reading strategies and their academic reading comprehension. Hopefully, this research could provide insight into how cognitive reading strategies affect students' reading comprehension. And also, as the practical use, it could be applied by teacher to the learning process, especially as a reference in determining the form of the teaching and learning strategies, particularly with regard to reading comprehension. And for the next is theoretical review. This part explains that reading comprehension is a cognitive ability that allows reader to integrate textual information with their background knowledge to create mental representation. Cited from Wahyono 2019. And Samtin and Maniam 2015 explained that cognitive reading strategies are related to specific learning actions that are applied during the process of understanding a text, such as connecting new vocabulary with existing knowledge and noting down the main ideas from the text. Next, this research will be used correlation research method in measuring the degree of relationship between two variables using the statistical procedure of correlation analysis. The populations consist of all 6-semester students of the Department of English Education at one of university in Tasikmalaya, with the total is 144 students, and one class of 36 students will be selected as the research sample through purposive sampling. To collect the data, because there are two variables, so there are two instruments. The first one is the reading comprehension score will be taken from the test of English language proficiency administered by the university, and the cognitive reading strategies will be taken from the questionnaire that was adopted from Beji 1998 to collect the students' reading comprehension and cognitive reading strategies data. After the data are collected, they will be analyzed using descriptive statistics, and the hypothesis will be examined through person-product-moment correlation supported by SPSS. Next, this is my research schedule. So I studied the research proposal in October 2025 and present the research proposal in December 2025, and I will study my research from January until May 2026. So that is my timeline of my research. The Honorable, I presented all content of my research proposal from part 1 until the part 3. That's all my presentation. Thank you for nice attention. I'm ready to answer the question, and I hope I can answer the questions from the lecture as well as I can. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.